Do you remember as a kid having a Game Boy? When you want to switch games, you have to turn off and fully switch cartridges. It would be like having to end stream just to change category on Twitch. Or would it? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get this cool effect for when you change game on Twitch. My name is Terry Darts, and this is my channel. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. I'm an absolute idiot. So I'm going to show you how to install the Game Boy overlay. This will work on Streamlabs, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using OBS. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Streamer.bot and check your WebSocket. If we go to Servers and Clients and WebSocket Server, if it's on 127.0.0.1 and port 8080, then we are good to use the URL. If not, you're going to need to use the CodePen version. Next, you're going to need to go to my website. Link will be in the description, but it's terrydarts.co.uk. You'll also be able to find it in the navbar under Overlays and Game Boy Game Changer. This page will document the steps to install, but we're going to go over it here. So if we scroll down, we'll see this URL. We're going to press copy, and it should change to copied. If you need to use a CodePen version, here is the link, and a guide explaining how to import CodePens. If we head over to OBS, we're going to add a new browser source and name it Game Change. Then we paste in the URL, set the width to 1920, and set the height to 1080, and press OK. Now we're going to add some cropping to the source. Easiest way is to hold Shift and drag the left, right, and bottom edges in. And what I suggest is taking just a small amount off the top. Then we're going to place it where we want it. If you wish, you can add a nice show and hide transition, so it looks like it moves into the screen rather than just flashes, but this is up to you. Next, we're going to go back to the website and grab the code from the big Import Code button, then import it into Streamer.bot. Once imported, you will notice one action has been imported. You'll need to make sure the sub-actions are pointed to the correct source, so with OBS connected, unlike me here, you can simply double click and edit them. Once that is done, let's test. So let's change our game to sports. And as you can see, the Just Chatting game comes out and the sports game comes in. So there you have it. Game Change all installed. Hopefully it's working for you. If it's not, do reach out to me either in Discord or in comments or however, and I'll try my best to get you sorted. But if you have got this installed and you do like it, do consider hitting the like button. Do consider hitting the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers by the end of 2024. So all that helps. And there's not much left to say. My name's Terry Darts, and I'll see you next time.